This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday evening, September 22nd. Hey, fall begins tonight. The equinox at 9:29 Central Time, and right on cue, we're expecting the coolest night so far this September. Let's go in there and take a look out the window. A cloudless sky, cobalt blue, that's coming from Gadsden, as a cool, dry air mass settles in. Good-looking sky over Fayette. That's the Fayette County Courthouse. Now, down south, the cold front just arriving at Gulf Shores. But tomorrow, they'll be in the dry air, and the weather down there gorgeous for the rest of this week with sunny days, fair nights tomorrow through at least Friday. Big trough over the east helping to deliver this cool, dry air. And despite the bright sunshine, only in the 70s north of Birmingham. In fact, it's only 73 at Fort Payne at mid-afternoon. Birmingham 81. But those numbers come down quickly once the sun goes down, and I think we'll see some 40s for the cooler pockets across North Alabama tomorrow morning. That's kind of exciting for fall fans. Around the nation, the air nice, cool, and crisp over the east. And look at that, frost advisories for the first time this season for parts of West Virginia and Pennsylvania. That is a sign of the times. Also out west, we have flash flood watches in effect for parts of West Texas and southern New Mexico. But rain not happening here. This is the rain through Saturday morning. Basically nothing for the northern half of the state. And really what you see there, the green down south, that was the rain they saw today. Basically all of Alabama should be dry for the rest of this week. Tropics, quiet as a mouse. Nothing out there for the next several days. So let's take a look at modeling the GFS, the Global Forecast System. This is valid tomorrow afternoon, 1 o'clock local time. Little upper low west of the state, east of the state, over the Carolinas, but that will not affect us. It's going to be a glorious day. Bright sunshine. We start the day in the low and mid-50s. The high should be around 80. The humidity stays low, just so nice. Pretty much the same deal Wednesday. The low should be probably mid to upper 50s. High in the low 80s, just perfect. Thursday looks good. Dry air mass stays in place. And Friday, no change. Sunny with a high in the low. Maybe mid-80s. The GFS printing a high of 83. And the morning's very, very pleasant. This week will be just delightful. Got something to do outside on Saturday. You'll be A-OK in our state. That looks dry. Another sunny day. Highs in the low to mid-80s. But Sunday, moisture begins to return. This run suggesting the deeper moisture flow west of the state over Mississippi, Arkansas, Louisiana. But there could be a shower Sunday afternoon. And this is Monday, a week from today. Big trough in the Rockies out west and down below that. Moisture continues to increase. And that looks like a day with a fairly decent chance of showers. Not an all-day rain, but a shower from time to time. We'll check the end of the forecast, October the 8th. Big trough in the east, and down below that, look at the thickness values coming way down. That'll get us down there in the low 40s if this is right. And this is valid October 8th, and we all know this will probably change. And yes, another voodoo hurricane showing up on the GFS down in the Caribbean, but many of those have shown up in the medium range, and they just don't happen, which is fairly common with the GFS. Temperatures over the next 15 days. Not too bad. Looks like fall. We'll see those nice cool mornings this week. Another shot of cooler air coming in here. Looks like the first week of October. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.